How's it going, YouTube? I hope you're all doing well. Welcome to another update video on Future Warfare. That's right, I finally came up with the name for the game, and I'm gonna go with Future Warfare. I did a quick Google search, and I didn't see any video games with the name of it, so I think I'm in the clear there. So I did an update on the calling cards. I added the names and the cost of each unit, and also added a currency system. So when we buy a unit, it's deducted from the total cash we have. And this is the Dreadnought Miner. This is one of the units I added. These guys are armed with a drill, so they're gonna be melee units. And once the drill gets going, it's like a continuous damage. And another thing, or an important thing to note, is they also deal true damage, so they completely ignore armor. So this Vanguard here is a tank unit. It has very high armor, making the miner a good counter. Yeah, as you can see, it completely just destroys him. I also have, on the Dreadnought side, the Blaster. And the Blaster unit's going to be pretty similar to the Scout. Since the Blaster is a bit more expensive, he is also a bit stronger than the Scout. As you can see, yeah, it wins that 1v1. And on the Galaxian side, we have the Vanguard. And the Vanguard's armed with an energy shield and a taser baton. And this guy has a lot of armor and a decent amount of health, so he's gonna be like the front line to soak up some bullets. See against this guy too. Pretty strong, like he barely takes any damage. Also doesn't deal that much damage. It's the drawback. And he's actually doing 0 damage, but that's just a bug. He doesn't actually do that little damage. Let me use against this guy. So these guys will be pretty good counter to range units to keep the Galaxian range units safe. They're good bullet sponges. I just thought that was pretty fucked away of identifying somebody. So yeah, even the Vanguards win that 1v1 just because they have so much armor. And the last unit is the Galaxian Sniper. And the Sniper has a long range and does a lot of damage. She does have a slowest fire rate of all of them, but the shots do a lot of damage. And if you were to get a few of them, it gets pretty crazy. Just everything just gets deleted. So I'm probably gonna nerf the Sniper. Sniper does seem pretty OP right now. But yeah, that's it for the units. I also did some small adjustments. I added the standing function. So if one of these guys is shooting, but the other guy's not in range to shoot behind him, he'll just idle. Like so. And I have that for all the units. A few of them it is a little buggy, but yeah, I'm gonna fix that. We'll get to that. So that's that. Yeah, I think that's what I got done the last month. That covers everything. I do want to talk about what I'm going to be aiming for next. see all this like empty space, I want to get that filled in. So I want to get the layout of the game done this next month. I'm thinking of changing the background just because it's not wide enough. See if I can do like a visual update on it too. And I want to rearrange the layout. So I have like a rough sketch of what I'm thinking of doing. So I'm thinking of having the buy units on the bottom left, the upgrade shop's going to be on the bottom right, health bars on the top left and the top right. The rounds will be kept track in the center. And I'm going to have the bases on the left and right side, the far and left, right side. So yeah, if you have any suggestions on how I should lay it out or any tips, let me know. I feel pretty good about it. I just don't... The one thing I don't feel strong about is the currency. I don't know where to put the currency at. I'm thinking in the center, bottom center, but that doesn't really feel right. Or the top center underneath the rounds. Either or of those is what I can think of right now. But yeah, let me know if you have any suggestions. Be glad to hear it. So yeah, that's what I'm just going to be focused on going next week, is trying to get the layout of the game so that we can see how it's going to look. Get kind of like an idea of how it's going to look. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button. And if you'd like to see more updates on this game, hit that subscribe button.